The Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date reference 1500, powered by the caliber 1570 movement, stands as an iconic testament to the timeless beauty and craftsmanship of vintage Rolex watches. Restoring such a timepiece is a labor of love, a journey that melds horological expertise with a deep appreciation for the rich history of watchmaking. The first step in restoring a vintage Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date is to assess its condition. Time takes its toll on any watch, and a thorough examination is necessary to determine the extent of the restoration required. This evaluation often includes examining the case, dial, hands, movement, and crystal. The case, typically crafted from stainless steel, may have accumulated scratches, dents, or tarnish over the years. Restorers carefully polish and refinish the case, bringing back its original luster. The case back, bearing the iconic Rolex logo and reference number, is also inspected, ensuring its integrity is maintained. The dial, a crucial element in the watch's overall aesthetic, often requires meticulous restoration. Over time, the luminescent material on the hour markers and hands can deteriorate. Restorers painstakingly replace these elements to restore the watch's legibility and charm. Any stains or blemishes on the dial are carefully removed, and the original design is preserved to the greatest extent possible. Crafted to be both functional and elegant, the hands are often refinished or replaced to ensure they align perfectly with the restored dial. The subtle ticking of the seconds hand and the precision of the hour and minute hands is an art in itself, and one that is crucial to the watch's functionality. The heart of any Rolex timepiece is its movement, and the caliber 1570 is no exception. This self-winding movement is a testament to Rolex's engineering excellence, known for its robustness and reliability. A restoration of the movement involves disassembly, cleaning, and lubrication. Any worn or damaged components are replaced, while retaining as much of the original movement as possible. The balance wheel, hairspring, and escapement are meticulously adjusted to ensure accurate timekeeping. The crystal protecting the dial and hands is often a key aesthetic element of a vintage Rolex. Scratches or cracks on the crystal can mar the watch's appearance. Restorers replace the crystal with an exact replica or a suitable alternative that maintains the watch's original character. Restoration is not just about mechanical and cosmetic aspects. It's about preserving the watch's history. Rolex enthusiasts appreciate the patina that develops with age, and restorers are often careful to retain this as much as possible. Finally, a restored vintage Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date reference 1500 is meticulously reassembled, calibrated, and thoroughly tested to ensure it meets the stringent standards that Rolex is renowned for. The watch is inspected for water resistance, accuracy, and power reserve. The restoration process is a laborious one, requiring expert knowledge, patience, and a profound respect for the heritage of Rolex. Each vintage Rolex is a unique piece of history, and its restoration is a testament to the enduring craftsmanship of the brand.